Nantahala Lake, or 8 miles east of Hayesville, moving east at 25 miles per hour.
Transmitter's having a stroke.
60 miles per hour with gusts at half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations expected include Nantahala Lake. For a possible tornado.
Transmitter's trying to go out right now.
From severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.